And then when I go, there ain't no resale on these. What it do? It's your boy Manny Fresh coming in with another video. Today we got an unboxing. And you know, this unboxing may have been an L. Massive L. Big time L. But here we go. I got the notification. I was going through Instagram. And I see these on Adidas.com. And I'm like, NMD? Huh? Okay? Y'all know what it is. The Adidas box. NMDs, the Pharrells. But I always check resale because resales, you know, one of the reasons I cop some of these hypebeast shoes so I can flip them and buy more shoes. But I said, let me not. I added it to cart, checked out, and then when I go, there ain't no resale on these. Let me show you. Got my first pair of NMDs, but I ain't excited. It's the Billionaire Boys Club NMDs. They look like my mom said. They look like Tommy Hilfiger covers, which she ain't even lying. But at least I got to see these finally in hand. Finally got to cop a pair. But honestly, I think I may just sell them and get my money back. Cause I don't even think I'm gonna wear them like that. These shoes are, I don't know. They are. I don't like the coloring. I honestly just bought them to be a reseller, and it backfired on your boy. But y'all see it. Might as well do the unboxing so y'all can see that I took a dub, technically. Dub, copping online NMDs. But in L though, one says heart, the other one says mind. Because you need those two to succeed in life. But other than that, y'all saw the unboxing on this. We got a couple more reviews to pop out. I got another unboxing. Hit that like button, subscribe. Road to 1K, you already know. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Manny Fresh. Ow!